back. Happy New Year, guys. Yes, so today is the 1st of January 2021. Yeah. So oh god, today it's not like I was like, let me show you guys all the stuff I did today or we have to eat today before it gets dark like I did on Christmas Day. So yeah, what did I even do today? I made coconut fried rice. Then I made ofada rice because we ordered ofada sauce. Like I said, I didn't do a lot of cooking. My mom was just like, this new year we shouldn't do a lot of stressful, I mean my mom was like, this new year we shouldn't stress ourselves basically. So she ordered some stuff from a food vendor, obviously. So yeah, I made ofada rice for the sauce. Then yeah, I also put the ofada rice in wrap, the leaf, moi leaf. Yeah. This is the second time I'll be doing that, and I just like, I feel like I'm an expert already. So, and yeah, I also fried some egg fish, half carton again. I grilled chicken, I fried chicken. I also, not fried, I grilled chicken last night as well. That was like to just wash mouth now. Like to do wash night and all of that. Then we also ate pepper soup last night from the same food vendor. Then what else I did today? I did salad. I'll show you guys everything. I'm just talking like you guys. I'm like I will show you guys. There's also more as well, like a lot. I was just like 5 in this house. Like this food is for a whole village. Oh my. And this is their father's sauce, coconut fried rice. It's supposed to say the fish, then moi for the rice. I think we have about 6 wraps here. I've had one, my mom has had one, so yeah, I think it's about 6. I just put it. Then this is some of the chicken I grilled last night. I just kept the remaining one here. So here we have the salads and the salads, 2 bowls because yeah, I love salad. Guys, we also got this king prawns or jumbo prawns, I don't know. This whole thing like this is 3.5. Let me put it on the sink so I can show you guys. So this is the biggest. Then let me show you what they now did. See, can you imagine? What is this one? Not shrimp. They just mixed up the shapes, and we're thinking it will come like this, like this one. This one is like, you know, the normal size we're expecting. But anyways, I did a lot today, so I was like, when we come back from my auntie's place, because I'm actually going to my auntie's place, I'll do this like in the night, and we'll just have it probably with the salad. Or yeah, the fridge is actually empty. Most of the stuff are upstairs. So guys, that's everything we prepared for today. I was just saying, guys, in case you want to stop by, even though I know by the time you guys are seeing this video, it's already like maybe almost February, if not like I'm hoping I put it up like this first week of January, hopefully. But yeah, that is everything, guys. Oh my god, let me know how your new year is going. Like, what are you doing? For me, I feel like Christmas was even like more gym. Do you get? I don't know how to say gym, like more gang than this new year. But like new year, I feel new year is a lot calmer and just, I don't know, just peaceful, and you know, all that vibe, sha. But anyways, we are actually going to my auntie's place. If you recall, on Christmas Day, I don't think I vlogged that part, but she actually came to our place on Christmas Day. She stays in the same Ikorodu. We are all Ikorodu citizens at this point. So she came on Christmas Day with my cousin. So today is our turn to go over to our place for her to host us. So this food I just cooked, I don't know who cooked it for, but in this house you must cook. So Go away. They are taking my stuff. What does one want to use it for? Nail polish. I wanted cotton wool. I want to take off my leg polish, guys. I'll show you my leg. My toenails are all full. Is that my sister? Say hi to my vlog. Say hi now. Say, is that hi? Hi. And I said, why did I say is that hi? Like, hoi. Hoi. Hey, man. Hallelujah. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, guys. How are you doing today? January 1st, 2021. Happy New Year. I pass, I've stopped. I light. I light. Yeah, no, okay. Let me show mommy. Last time I did show mommy very well. Jeffrey, show your face. Let me take picture for thumbnail. Jeffrey. Swaga is wako. Swagalomo.
Touch my watch, why you want to take? Yo, run up your market chef. Yo, turn up the right and left. I don't know. When they ask in the interview room, I don't know. How many girls in the room, I don't know.
This one. She has drunk her left her body here. Why did you say you must come? I don't know what you're doing. Tell on me. I don't know how you doing. When you tell on me, you put a spell on me. Baba Simba, I'm soda. Jaga jaga, pata pata. Jaga jaga, pata pata. I'm hypnotized. Hey. It looks like I'm bad. Jesus. I look like I'm about just go. Anyways, guys, we got back. I think about 2 hours ago or so. Yeah, around that time. And I just want to tell you guys that when we came back, I decided to put everything away that I made. Yeah, so I just finished packing it all up and putting in the fridge. Yeah, that's what I did. And then look at our fridge. My siblings handwork, Indomie tables, magnet sticker, what is it called? But anyways, yeah, see the fridge. This is how I took everything up. I emptied the fridge the other time because I knew that when I come back I'll need space. So this is the remaining of the fish. I think I have here the roasted chicken from the night before. Oops. My phone is too hot, so the light just went off. Yeah, some drinks. Then I've not done the, what is it called, prawns. Do that tomorrow. One of the salad. I just took like salad from this. Yeah, and then rice. The rice is still plenty, like we've taken out of it this night. But you guys, and then what is this? What's this? Okay, yeah, the father rice is mainly like 3 wraps. So that is that, and that's everything there. This thing now confirm. When I came, I just felt like drinking. Also, we just ate. We had some stuff at Matthew's place, not like food, but like snacks, like chin chin, you know, all those things to just chop mat. And like everybody's tired of rice, so we thought when we get there we'll be able to eat. But yeah, we couldn't eat. We just ate the snacks and then chicken, and then we drank. That's just it. So I'll just take this and go to bed. And I think this is the end of the vlog. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow, the 2nd of January 2021, and I'm looking maybe a lot better because I look like, God, I look so somehow, but who cares, man? This is the vlog. Bye guys.